Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find BNB or BSC Network Wallet Address in Metamask. For that, first of all, you need to launch your Metamask mobile application. Now, as soon as you open it, by default, your Ethereum main network will be selected. So we need to first of all change it to the BNB chain. And for that, you need to tap on the Ethereum icon in the top left hand corner of the screen. So if you are using Metamask for quite some time, you must be wondering that now the option is shifted to the left hand section instead of in the top. So you need to now tap on this top right hand corner of the screen section and then select BNB chain. Then you need to wait for some time until it shows you this pop-up that is BNB chain is now active. So after waiting for some time, you will see this type of page in front of you. Now you need to tap on BNB here, and after tapping on it, you will see this receive option. So you need to tap on receive, and this is basically the QR code as well as your wallet address of the BSC network. So you can copy it from here and you can use it in order to get BNB in your Metamask account. If this video helped you out, give it a like, and if you have any questions, you can do let me know that in the comment section below. I will see you in the next one.